How's it going? It's the way it goes, I guess. The last one, the box looked untouched. And yeah, this one, I guess we gotta look for beat up boxes. I'm just gonna flip it over and make sure here before I call it mine. Yeah, this one looks good. Cool. And then that's the little locator pin. Big enough box for a little teeny tiny piece, huh? That would be it. I'll just take the piece.
Yeah.
All right, well, if you want to just pop the door, I can carry it out. This thing weighs about 10 pounds, so. Yeah, I should have brought the big one, but it was a nice day and I felt like burning some tires, so. You know, probably should have brought the big truck, but. Well, geez, that couldn't have fit any more perfectly, huh? Okay, looks good for my house. The old cammed up transport truck. All right, let's get this part back home. Let's get out of here.